This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Jean Defort. Land lovers, come enjoy this beautiful Morgan County acreage, with the right mix of rolling pasture land, mature trees, and 4,000 of bubbling creek frontage with a small pond. Property is rich with wildlife. 65 acres, with about 15 acres of pasture, partially fenced for cattle or horses. With large tracts managed for hunting and forestry adjoining the property, you will be hard-pressed to find a more private recreational land tract. Improvements include 3-bedroom/2-bath ranch home with screen porch, 24 by 36 horse barn, 20 by 34 shed. Discover PONDER PINES, convenient access to I-20 and Lakes Oconee and SINCLAIR via Highway 441. Hard to find quality improved land with living quarters at this price. Georgia Power cleared easement dates to 1983, but no transmission lines. For more information